In my sessions, I'm going to explain you the easiest way of learning math and also how to connect it with real life examples. Usually most of the students learn math through readers and numbers but finds difficulty to connect it with real life examples. So here I am to solve your problem. Now today the topic of the day is ordering and comparing. What do you mean by ordering? Ordering is nothing but arranging the numbers or objects in ascending or descending order. You can arrange numbers or things from big to small or small to big. It gets easier when the numbers are small, but what when the numbers are bigger? Now, let me give you an example. Let me use two animals for explaining this. Let's take a dinosaur and an ant. Now, if you take an ant, for explaining ascending order, ascending starts with letter A and ant starts with A. Whereas descending order starts with D, whereas dinosaur starts with D. Now, whenever a question is asked, arrange the given numbers in ascending order, that means ant to dinosaur. Whereas, when it's asked to arrange in descending order, you arrange it from exactly dinosaur to ant. That means big to small. If you remember again, let me recollect it. Ascending means ant to dinosaur, big, small to big, and descending means big to small. That means dinosaur to ant. Now, let me give you a few examples. Now, if you see the numbers in front of you, 43,678, 40,990, 43,789. Now, all the three numbers starts with 4. Now it gets difficult when the number starts with the same digit. How are you going to do? So first keep your hand on one part of the number and just see the first number over there. As you can see, I have highlighted it with pink. You can see all the first numbers are starting with 4. When the numbers are starting with the same number, you need to move on to the next digit towards the right side. Yes. So here the next digit over here is, one is 3, the other is 0 and the next one is 3. Now between this 3 and 0, which one is lesser? 0. Right. So the number 40,991 is the smallest. Now the remaining two numbers are 43,678 and 43,789. Now if you see both the numbers again that I have highlighted the second digits, if you now, since both the two digits are same, 3 and 3, what are we going to do next? Yes, you are going to move on to the third digit towards the right. Now the third digit towards the right is 6 and 7. Now between 6 and 7, which is the smallest? 6. Correct. Now if I want to arrange it in ascending order, did you remember what is ascending order here? Ant to dinosaur, small to big. That means you need to arrange the numbers over here from small to big. So which number will come first over here? 40,991, next comes 43,678 and next comes 43,789. I hope it made it easy for you to understand this way. So remember, ant to dinosaur is ascending order and dinosaur to ant is descending order. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is comparing numbers. Mostly it gets difficult for the students to compare numbers, especially by seeing the symbol. Okay, so I have an easiest way of identifying the comparing the numbers and putting the appropriate symbol between the numbers. So let's take an example of I usually give example of a bird mouth. So if you see, if a bird want to eat a bigger bite, what will she do? Yes, definitely she has to open her mouth a bit. So the best way to compare two numbers is first check which number is larger. Okay, if I give you an example, if you could see the example over here again, you have two numbers over here, 6,458 and the other one is 6,423. Now if you want to put a bird's mouth open, definitely a bird will eat the biggest white. Yes. So between these two, which two number is bigger? First identify that. Again, as you did in ordering of number, you are going to check the first digits of the numbers. If you see both the numbers has 6 in the first digit, what is the next rule? Yes. Move on to the next digit. Yes. What is the next digit over here? 4 and 4. Now what? Exactly. You are going to move on to the third digit. The third digit is 5 and 2. Now if you see 5 and 2 over here, which one is bigger? 5. Yes, 5 is bigger. So which side will the bird open the mouth? Towards the 5. So that is the reason the bird will open its bigger mouth towards a bigger number, and same way what will happen? The smaller number, the mouth will be closed. So whenever you are given a questions on comparing of the numbers and you get confused between the symbol, you just need to identify the largest number first. Open the bird's mouth toward the largest number. Automatically the smaller number will have a closed mouth.
We like to dance all day. We like to dance, yeah. We like to dance all night. We like to dance, yeah. 1, let's have fun. 2, me and you, 3, we are free. 4, give me more. 5